In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a checklist in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, select the project or the space that has the task that you wish to add a checklist on. Let's use this sample project for example. As you can see, I have a practice instruments task right here. Now, I'm going to make a checklist for this specific task. To do that, I will scroll down until I see this checklist right here. And then I'm going to create a checklist, click on it, and then I'm going to add an item. For example, since this is practice instruments, I'm going to put the instruments that I need to practice. So for example, drums. Then I'm going to add another one, piano, guitar, and let's say trumpet. So now this specific task has its own checklist right here, which I can check, which means it is now already completed. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.